Hello everyone. I thought I'll kick off cartridge development tutorial with a small introduction. Uh, in our previous tutorial, we talked about case management or bus management, and we created a test recipe, or sorry, test batch. Following on from that, we will talk about cartridge development. So this tutorial is an introduction to a series of tutorials that will come out, and we'll cover creating a recipe, so creating a basic recipe, and this is just what to expect. We'll talk about reporting. We'll talk about how recipes can be filled in and the difference between creating a recipe versus shooting a recipe and telling the software that ammunition has been shot, and their relationship to firearms, so actually recording round count and their relationship to cases in terms of what's been used and what's available, and relationship to other components, so powder, projectiles, primers, and actually estimating what's been used and what's available. And finally, we'll also talk about grouping recipes. So if we have multiple recipes and we want to create a ladder test, for example, we'll talk about grouping recipes and creating ladder test reports based on a particular variable, not necessarily charge, but we can, in the software, we can do anything from different types of primers to sitting length to powder type. It doesn't really matter to us. So that's about it. Stay tuned and we'll jump into cartridge development tutorials shortly.